Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we're going to be having just a basic discussion where I talk to you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys know that I like to do these videos periodically where I ask your guys, the viewer, the follower, the subscriber, your opinions about the future of things over here on the channel, because without you guys, the follower and subscriber, I would not be standing here making the videos that I make. And I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart and just open this video up to a discussion. More specifically about the Wednesday editions of the videos on this channel. You guys know I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's a lot of work for one person to do, and it takes up a big portion of my time, you know, making, creating, filming, editing, and doing all the work that goes into making and getting those videos ready to go live over here on the platform. But we're closing in on 700 individual videos over here on the platform, and I cannot thank you guys enough for supporting me and following along on the journey. And you guys know that primarily I am a scroll saw woodworking artist, and I'll never go away from that because that's what I genuinely love to do. I do not fake that. That is something I truly and honestly am passionate about, scroll saw woodworking, and that's the focus of the main Monday YouTube video. And then Wednesday can kind of be a mixed bag, you know, of extracurricular stuff or just something of my interest. And then the Friday video can be another full video, or 9 times out of 10, it is one of those YouTube shorts that you film from your cell phone. Now, in recent weeks and months, I have been doing laser content, and I remember I filmed a video in this style and manner where I was asking for your guys' opinions on asking if you guys wanted to see laser content, if you guys wanted to see me really buckle down and try to bring laser videos to the platform. And it was kind of 50-50. You guys know, like, half of you guys said, no, don't bring those to the platform because you're mainly a scroll saw woodworking artist. The other half said, yes, go for it. We want to see what it's capable of. And I understand that is just a general opinion. And it kind of helped me, you know, I tried to put one up to see what it would do, and people really loved it. And then I waited a little bit, and then I added another one. And you guys have received those extremely well. But keeping in mind, I will always be a scroll saw woodworking artist. And I just wanted to ask, what do you guys want to see going forward with the Wednesday videos? Do you guys want to continue to see laser projects? Do you guys want to continue to see tip and tidbit videos? Or do you want to see more of my interest that I normally don't showcase over here on the platform? Because I have a ton of interest in being an artist. I have so many ideas in my head to bring to the platform that I just want to share with you guys and just share my life, you know. I've got a clipboard over here to my side that I jot down ideas on, whether they be laser ideas, scroll saw ideas, or anything, you know, and then I let them bounce around in my head until I get a full understanding of how I want to film, document, and bring the video to the platform here that you guys are on. So that is what I'm trying to ask here. Again, I love collecting my Hot Wheels. I love the model trains. I love antiques. I love going to the beach, to parks, to rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, anywhere near water. You guys know I like to go to. And I've recently got back into reading. Last summer, my mom got me the original Jaws book, and I read it, and that reignited my love for reading, and I just, you know, fell back in love with it. And now I'm reading some of the books in my collection, but I'm always on the hunt for new ideas of books to read, and I'm tracking them on a cell phone app I downloaded. But if you guys would like to see me hop on here and talk about the books I've been reading, just maybe to give you guys ideas on some books to read. I'm a huge Stephen King fan, and I'd love to talk about his books and maybe make a little bit of fan art. You guys know, and all that would fall under that Wednesday video, never affecting the Monday YouTube video. And for those Monday videos, I just want to go on and say, I never come out here to the workshop and just phone in a video. You guys know I never just go through the motions, if that makes any sense. I'm never like, well, I don't have nothing filmed, but I got to go out there and film something. You know, I've never been like that. I do a lot of research when it comes to the scroll saw videos, you know, looking at the patterns, and I want all of the patterns to have meaning. Either something I like, something I remember from childhood, or something I want to do going forward to just represent it over on the scroll saw and kind of tie everything in. So please keep that in mind. I have never once, to my knowledge, phoned it in over here on the channel, and I hope you guys can see that, and hope you can see how genuine I am when I hop on here. That is why I'm making this video that you are viewing. I just want to see what your guys' opinions are. When I done the shed cleaning video, you know, the shed that's behind the sticker wall here, I never expected that video to do so good. You guys were genuinely interested in it, and I really, really appreciate it. Keep in mind, that video was never, ever meant to go to the platform. But after talking to a few woodworking friends, they're like, you know what, you need to put it on there, because what you're trying to show, man, is that, you know, you can get rid of an object without getting rid of the memory. I know a lot of people have a problem separating those two things, and plus I was wanting to make that shed usable. But that video was mainly filmed for family to see. You know, I was going to put it on a thumb drive and just pass it around to family where they could see stuff that was still in the family, you know, and what I was doing with it. But you guys really responded to that video. And also, one other thing, view count has never ever affected how I go about projects. If I make a video and it gets thousands of views, of course I'm happy. But if I turn around and make another one, especially the Monday videos is what I'm talking about here, and a scroll saw project video only gets maybe, like, let's just say 200 or 300 views, that never affects these scroll saw projects I want to bring to the platform. The Wednesday videos is what I am going to focus on. We went to the Duke Botanical Gardens, and that video didn't do as good. I don't even think it cracked 200 views in the first week, and I was kind of like, huh. It's summer. I know people are traveling. They're going to the beach, the mountains, going on vacation, seeing family. You know, everyone's out of school, you know, and they're trying to hang out as best they can. So I kind of played that factor in my head, you know, but I was like, huh, you know, the botanical gardens are a huge thing that people talk about, and I figured you guys would want to see it. But again, keep in mind, that does not affect what video I bring to the channel. I do want to go back there in the fall, you know, and film the full tour. When I went and filmed that video, we were kind of doing a very quick and brisk walk to get through it all. But again, I value your guys' opinions, and I want the genuine opinion going forward on the Wednesday videos. I still would like to make laser content when I come across a unique design, and after I play around with it, you know, in Lightburn software, and then once I make something, if I like how it looks and how it turns out and think it would be a good teaching tool, keep in mind, that's what I am at my core. I love to teach and inspire others. If I think it's a nice creative project, I will of course want to come back out here and bring the cameras and film it. You know, I mainly film the scroll saw content, and that's what I primarily focus on. Again, it's just I want to make sure the Wednesday videos are the best content that I can provide possible that's not scroll saw woodworking, if that makes any sense. But again, I want your guys' opinions. If you want to see more discussion videos like this, where I just stand in front of the camera and talk to you guys one-on-one about a subject, like let's just say, hey, I have a drill here. Let's talk about it for around 10 minutes, you know, what I like or don't like about it. Or maybe there's a technique you guys want to see me hop on here and talk about. Again, I love my Hot Wheels, my trains, history, anime, you know, cultures, different foods, places to go like that. I love talking about it all, but I want your guys' opinions at the end of the day. So please sound off in the description box below and let me know what you guys want to see going forward when it comes to the Wednesday content. Again, without your guys viewing and subscribing to the channel and following along, I cannot be standing here filming these videos that I like to bring to the platform. But keep in mind, I still love to do it, and I am very passionate about doing it. But I hope that covers everything. I hope the video wasn't too drawn out or anything like that. And I hope you guys sound off with some opinions down in the comments below. If this happens to be your first time over on the channel, please click that subscribe button, and also follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social medias will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, and remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.